Just when you think you've seen it all, something fresh and exciting appears, flipping your expectations of everyday essentials. Our gadget drops never stop surprising you with unique finds that take the ordinary to the next level. Get ready, because we're about to change the game once again. If you're the type of person who loves fresh food but hates food waste, then this compact cordless vacuum sealer is a game changer for keeping your food fresh and organized. With 22 reusable sous vide bags, you can store everything from snacks to meal preps without worrying about air getting in. Perfect for travel, meal prep, or keeping leftovers fresh. Say goodbye to spills and mess with the couch caddy. This bamboo couch console is designed to keep everything in reach without the hassle. The anti-spill drink and cup holder ensures your beverages stay put, while the snack organizer tray keeps your favorite treats right at your fingertips. Plus, the built-in bottle opener is perfect for when you're ready to unwind. Durable, functional, stylish. If you're the type of person who loves snacks but hates the mess of opened bags, then this 2-in-1 heat sealer and cutter is here to make sure your snacks stay fresh and your bags stay neat. With a USB rechargeable design, it's portable and ready to seal any plastic bag, whether it's chips, veggies, or leftovers. Simply seal it up and keep your snacks crunchy and your food fresh for longer. Plus, the built-in cutter makes opening bags just as easy as sealing them. No more stale snacks, no more mess. For those who believe precision is everything in the kitchen, here's a measure-up adjustable measuring spoon. No more fumbling through a dozen spoons just to get the right amount. Slide, measure, and scoop with one sleek tool that adjusts effortlessly to fit your needs. It's compact, easy to clean, and basically the only measuring spoon you'll ever need. If you hate the strain on your feet after spending hours in the kitchen, you'll need a kitchen runner rug. This anti-fatigue mat is thick, designed to give you the comfort and support you need. While standing, with a non-slip waterproof surface, it stays firmly in place and protects your floors. Whether you're cooking, doing dishes, or cleaning up, this ergonomic comfort mat makes every step feel like a breeze. Its size fits perfectly in kitchens, offices, or even the laundry room. Goodbye, sore feet. Hello, all-day comfort. Your floors just got a serious upgrade. Think your dish rack is doing the job? Think again. This oversing dish drainer. Drying rack doesn't just hold your dishes, it transforms your kitchen. This 2-tier stainless steel gem expands, adjusting to fit your space while keeping your counters dry and clutter-free. With a multifunctional design that maximizes every inch, this isn't just a dish rack, it's an efficiency upgrade. Some people accept dull knives as fate. You sharpen them like a pro. Here's the rolling knife sharpener, your go-to gadget for keeping every blade in peak condition. This grippable aluminum gem comes with 360 and 600 diamond discs, plus 1,000 and 3,000 grit options, meaning it handles everything from slightly dull to this can't even cut butter levels of blunt. With 4 adjustable angles, you get razor-sharp precision tailored to every knife in your arsenal. No messy setups, no complicated techniques. Just roll, sharpen, and slice like a legend. Some bowls just hold food. These, they do everything but cook for you. These chef mixing bowls are the ultimate kitchen upgrade. 6 stainless steel nesting bowls with airtight lids and non-slip bottoms, so you can mix, store, and serve like a pro. Sizes range from a mighty 7-quart powerhouse down to a perfectly portioned 1-quart bowl, covering all your kitchen needs. No spills, no mess, no missing lids. Just perfectly prepped meals every time. Just when you thought meal prep couldn't get any easier, here comes the full-star vegetable chopper and spiralizer. This 4-in-1 gadget is about to make your chopping, slicing, and spiralizing a breeze. With a built-in container for easy cleanup, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Time to level up your kitchen game. If set it and forget it was a kitchen superpower, this would be your sidekick. Meet the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval slow cooker, the stainless steel cooking machine built to handle family feasts, game day chili, or that legendary pot roast your grandma swore by. Toss in your ingredients, set the high or low temp, and let time work its magic. Got plans? The warm setting keeps your food ready to serve whenever you are. One pot, endless possibilities, because good things come to those who slow cook. Love a fresh orange juice but hate the arm workout? This electric citrus juicer makes squeezing oranges, lemons, and grapefruits as easy as pressing down. No twisting, no effort, just fresh juice, fast. The pulp control lets you decide how smooth or pulpy you want it, and the 24-ounce capacity means fewer refills. Plus that easy pour spout, no drips, no mess, big flavor, zero hassle, because your juice should be fresh, not frustrating. Just when you thought you'd seen the ultimate kettle, here comes the COSORI electric kettle to flip the script. No plastic, no compromises, just pure, sleek stainless steel inside and out. Whether it's for your morning tea, coffee, or just a quick boil, this kettle's got the power with a 1.7-liter capacity and 1,500 watts heating. If you're ready for a boiling experience that's faster, cleaner, and more stylish, this kettle is your new best friend. Mornings are hard enough, but this coffee maker is your one-touch solution for perfect coffee every time. With 3 brew sizes to choose from and a 48-ounce removable reservoir, you can easily make enough coffee to fuel your day without constantly refilling. Whether you're on the go or savoring a slow sip, the K-Cup pods deliver fresh, flavorful coffee with zero fuss. No mess, no stress, just delicious coffee at the push of a button. Get ready to revolutionize your cooking. This air fryer 9-in-1 isn't just for fries, it's your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 6-quart capacity, you can easily feed a crowd, while the turbo-fast modes cook your food up to 95% faster, and with 95% less oil. Whether you're roasting, baking, broiling, or reheating, this air fryer delivers even, crispy results every time. No more greasy mess, just perfectly cooked meals. Get it right the first time, every time. Say goodbye to burnt rice with the Aroma Houseware's 6-cup rice cooker. Making perfectly cooked rice has never been easier. Just press a button, and in no time, you'll have fluffy rice with zero hassle. Whether you're cooking for one or the whole family, this 1.5-quart cooker can handle up to 6 cups cooked, 3 cups uncooked, making it ideal for small or large meals. No more guessing or timing issues. Just load it up, hit cook, and let the Aroma Rice Cooker do its thing. It's simple, smart, and mess-free. Tired of fumbling around in the dark? With these under-cabinet lights, you can illuminate your space with ease. Featuring 63 LEDs and a motion sensor, these lights only turn on when they sense movement, ensuring you get the light you need, exactly when you need it. Plus, with rechargeable batteries, you'll never need to worry about constantly swapping out batteries. Perfect for kitchens, closets, stairways, or anywhere you need a little extra visibility. Magnetic and dimmable. Control the brightness and place them wherever it suits you. If you're a baker, chef, or just someone who loves making great food, this one's for you. This KitchenAid tilt head stand mixer is the game changer you didn't know you needed. With a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, it has the capacity to tackle everything from cookies to bread dough with ease. No more sore arms from mixing, just smooth, effortless operation. The tilt head design gives you easy access to the bowl and ensures you're always in control. Plus, the pouring shield helps minimize mess, so you can add ingredients without worrying about spills. Mornings just got a serious upgrade. The Tesco self-stirring coffee mug takes the hassle out of mixing. No spoons, no effort, just pure, uninterrupted sipping. A built-in magnetic stirrer keeps your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate in perfect motion with the push of a button. Made of stainless steel, it's durable enough for home, office, or even travel. Whether you're too sleepy to stir or just love a little tech in your cup, this mug does the job for you. Because your coffee should be smooth, not your arms. If you're the type of person who loves an organized kitchen and the idea of no more jumbled silverware draws you in, then this silverware drawer organizer is a game changer. This expandable utensil tray fits perfectly in most kitchen drawers and adapts to your needs. Whether you've got a full set of spoons, forks, knives, or just a few, the adjustable compartments will ensure everything stays neatly in place. Gone are the days of digging through a mess of cutlery. With this black large organizer, you'll always know where everything is, and you'll feel like a kitchen pro every time you open that drawer. Spoons, forks, knives, and beyond, they'll have their own space. If you want to wash your food with a touch of technology, this fruit and vegetable cleaning machine is about to change your cleaning game. Forget the days of worrying about pesticides, dirt, or chemicals. This USB wireless food purifier uses advanced technology to clean your fruits, vegetables, rice, meat, and even tableware in minutes. With just a press of a button, it generates powerful bubbles and ions that remove contaminants from your food, ensuring it's fresh and safe to eat. And the best part? It's wireless and compact, meaning you can easily carry it around or take it with you wherever you go. A quick USB charge, and you're all set for your next round of cooking or meal prep. Clean food, clean life. If you love a fridge that's as organized as your life, meet the rotating Lazy Susan. This rectangular fridge organizer is here to save you from that chaotic fridge abyss. No more digging through piles of sauces, condiments, or jars. Just a smooth 360-degree rotation that lets you access everything with ease. Need that jar of pickles in the back? No problem. Just spin it right to the front. It's the effortless organizing solution you never knew you needed. Just spin it right to the front. Just when you think your kitchen is fully stocked, something like this comes along and rewrites the rules. Meet the Super Cubes 2-cup silicone freezer tray. Because who said freezing leftovers had to be a chaotic game of mismatched containers? Designed for everything from lasagna to soups and sauces, this tray keeps your portions neat, your freezer organized, and your future meals effortlessly ready to go. Bonus, that satisfying pop when your perfectly frozen cube slides right out. If precision in the kitchen is your thing, you'll love this food scale. Whether you're baking, cooking, or meal prepping, this digital scale delivers accurate measurements down to the gram. With a weight capacity of 11 pounds and the ability to measure in 6 units, from grams to ounces, it's your one-stop tool for exact portion control and recipe perfection. No more guesswork, just precise, repeatable measurements every time, helping you step up your cooking game like a pro. And just like that, we've redefined the everyday once again. But don't get too comfortable. There's always something new around the corner, ready to shake things up. Stay tuned, because the next drop might just be the one you never knew you needed.